In this video, I want to show you the difference between Kajabi and System E. So I originally had Kajabi, and let's look at their prices. They're pretty expensive. If you're going to do monthly, you get a little bit of a discount, but I was actually doing monthly, not yearly. If you do it yearly, you get a discount, but I was doing it monthly. And you can see that the prices are really high. And it was just really stressful dealing with the prices. So that's why I found System E. Now, why I like System E is you can start out for free. And then the next plan is only $27 a month. And the max plan is only $97 a month. Compared to Kajabi at the $149 is their minimal plan. Is a big difference when you're starting your business and you don't have a lot of money to spend. So let's go over the different benefits. So here's my website on System E. This is what it looks like. I kind of changed it around a little bit from the other one. So there's actually supposed to be a video there. I'm not really sure why it's not showing up. I'll have to go back and look. But I have all my pages connected. So here's my email page that you sign up for, my membership, my YouTube videos, and my work with me. Now let's go to Kajabi. And here's the same page. So this is the page that I made when I was on Kajabi, or being on Kajabi. And this is the page that I made on Systems E. So you can see they're very similar. I changed the front page a little bit. But you have the free courses. Well, it doesn't show up because I changed the domain. But all the same tabs are up here as on my system website. Now let's go into the email. So here's the email sequence. And this is the email that people get when they sign up. When I go to Kajabi, it's a little bit of a different platform, as you can see. See, this is what it looks like in System E. And then here's Kajabi. So you have your landing page. And then your different emails. So when I go into my email, it's a little bit different because I have my email, but then I have my landing page. So I can show you what the landing page looks like. Here's the landing page. Very, very similar. So in Kajabi, I have it going to a landing page, where on Systems, it goes straight to the email. So they'll get this email. There is no landing page. Now, here is the checkout page and what it looks like. This is on Kajabi, what the checkout page looks like. Very nice. It was very easy to put together. You have your little terms here, and this was easy to put together. It was a little bit harder in Systems to put all this together, but I did figure out how to put it together. Here's my checkout page on Systems. Now, on Systems, you can do 2 payment plans like this. We're in Kajabi. I just have, this is 1 payment plan. So you do the yearly and then you do a different page for if you wanted monthly. Here's the terms and conditions, the same, but I had to do like a little pop-up here for it to show up. A little bit different, but very similar. Now here's the course on System E, and this is what it looks like. So you have all the different categories over here. And this is what people will see. All the recipes. Now when we go into Kajabi, I think it does look better, but of course you're paying a lot more. So here's my course in Kajabi. Looks a lot nicer, doesn't it? And then you click on the video and see it's a lot nicer looking. It is a lot nicer because then you can click on the different videos. And I have the description there like in the other on Systems. So the look on Kajabi does look better. But of course, when you're very first starting out and you don't have a whole lot of money to spend, Systems isn't too bad. So there you go, guys. There's the price, the website, and what it looks like, the difference. What the email campaign looks like, the difference. What your checkout page looks like, and the difference. And your courses, the way it looks differently. I will be linking links below. If you want to sign up for System E, please look for my affiliate link in the description below because it does help me. I will not be paying for Kajabi anymore. Maybe in the future, I don't know. It just costs so much more money and I don't want to have to worry about things. I want to be able to serve my community and not worry about having to pay $200 a month just to get my business going. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like this video, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Bye.